Okay, so in the last few months of trading, one of my favorite setups is the pre-market high break. Still, when I'm looking for pre-market high breaks, I don't want to see an extremely overextended gap up, as you can see here on DPW, because many times they'll either start dropping right at the open or they'll fail when they'll try to break over the pre-market high. A good example of my favorite setup for the pre-market high break is right here on GROW. You can see this one had high relative volume in pre-market and after hours than what it's used to doing, but it still gapped up a decent amount, not a huge amount, but it gave way for that opportunity for it to break over that pre-market high right around 350. And a real reason this one pushed up so nicely is because it wasn't super extended like you can see here on the next day's gap up. It was just gapped up enough to bring people's attention to it, and so they can kind of start watching it and trying to get in at the pre-market high break. Okay, so another example of this is on RAD, and you'll start to notice a pattern here. When pre-market high breaks are usually successful, it's when the stock isn't gapped up in an extreme way. It's not overextended, as you can see on RAD. This one only gapped up 10 cents overnight that night, but still, when it broke that pre-market high right here at 202, it started to push up really nicely and pushed up for the next few hours after this. Okay, and the last example I'm going to show you with this is on SHLD. Again, this one didn't gap up a huge amount, but it was definitely moving above average volume in after hours and pre-market. You can see when it finally broke that 422 pre-market high, it pushed up really nicely all the way up to $4.60. And so this is ultimately what I look for in pre-market high breaks. I don't want to see an obnoxious gap up, because many times shorters are waiting for it to drop to jump in, and people are going to start taking profits from riding the big gap up. So a lot of times those pre-market high breaks will actually fail. And so my favorite pre-market high break setup is only a very small gap, but definitely above average volume in after hours and pre-market. And so if I can leave you with anything, guys, be careful with those extremely obnoxious gap ups, because many times they will fail and it can definitely hurt your account. Anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. If you want to see me day trade my small account live at the open every weekday morning, make sure you hit that subscribe button now and click the bell next to it to get the alert every time I go live. I should be trying out TradeNet next week. I know I signed up, so I should be trading live on stream using TradeNet, as well as reviewing it in a video. I'm still going to keep my Ustock account, but I'm going to be shorting a little bit more on TradeNet, so be sure to check that out, guys. And like I said, hit that subscribe button now if you want to help support us. Anyways, guys, good luck in the market on Monday, and thanks for watching.